Hello guys, so today I will show you how to get space state equation for a differential equation. So we have this equation m is equals to d square x by dt square plus kx is equals to 0, where x is a function of time. So for converting this to the space state equation, first we need to see what is the degree of this equation, that is 2. So degree is 2, that means we have to give two variables here. So those variables will be for zeroth zeroth degree term and the first order. Zeroth order term and the first order term. So in this equation the first order term is not there because it is 0, and the zeroth order term is here, this is x. So first we will need to give first variable, so that will be starting from this way. So first the x, we will give x equals to x1. Now we will give variable for the first derivative, which is this one. So this will be x1 dot, since it is first derivative we will name this x2. So now our both the variables are done. We gave it for zeroth order. This one is for the zeroth order term. This one is for the first order term. Now we want to convert this equation into the space state form. So for that what we will do, we will write the equation like this: md square x by dt square is plus, we can say, equals to minus kx. Now this m we will take it down here. So this becomes d square x by dt square is equals to minus kx by m. Now we have a variable for first order, but we also need to convert it in for the second variable also. So now what we will do, we will write here x2 dot. So if you differentiate this x2, then it becomes x1 double dot, and this x1 double dot is nothing but our x, so it becomes x double dot, and this x double dot is nothing but our this d square x by dt square. So by the equation, this one, equation 1, and this one is the equation 2. From these two equations what we get is this term becomes x2 dot equals to, since our x, this x was here, so it becomes x1 minus x1 into k by n. So this is the first space state equation, and the second one will be this. this equation, that is x1 dot is equals to x2. So this is the second space state equation. In MATLAB you will use x1 and x2. So for that you need to write x1 dot is equals to x2 and x2 dot is equals to minus x1 k by l. So these are your two equations, two space state equations what we get from this differential equation. And the initial conditions, they were given as x of 0 equals to 1 and x dot 0 is equals to 0 and k is equals to 1 and m is also equal to 1. So now what we get is, for this differential equation, md square x by dt square plus kx is equals to 0. We get space state equation as x1 dot is equals to x2 and x2 dot is equals to minus of x1. These are the two space state equation for this differential equation. Now let's go to the second problem. So the second problem was md square x by dt square plus c dx by dt plus kx is equals to f of sine omega t, where x is a function of time and the given conditions are m equals to 1, c is equals to 0.2, k equals 1 and f is also equals to 1. So first we need to check the degree of the differential equation, that is 2. So we need to define two variables, that is for 0th order term, this one, and for the first order term, which is this one. So we will give a variable now. So first we will give let x equals to x1. So x1 dot becomes this dx by dt, which we will say x2, and now we will define this dx by dt by using x2. So x2 dot will become x1 double dot, which is nothing but our x, x1 dot, x1 is nothing but our x. So this becomes x double dot, which is nothing but our d square x by dt square, which is equals to d square x by dt square. Now what we need to do, we need to write it in the space state form. So for that we will write d square x by dt square is equals to, take all other values to the right hand side. This will be sine omega t minus c dx by dt, and this whole term will be divided by m. Now we will take this m to the right hand side, so that will be divided by m. Now we will replace what we have found. So this x1 dot, we got this x1 dot equals to x2. So that will be this dx by dt is equals to x2, and this is x2 dot. So we will write the space state form like this. This will be x2 dot is equals to sin omega t minus c into dx by dt. Dx by dt is nothing but our dx by dt is equals to x2, right? This one, dx by dt is equals to x2. So this will be x2 cx2, and I forgot this kx, right? Kx will be going here. We have one more term minus kx into 1 by n. So now we will do minus x and this kx, x equals to x1, so this will be kx1, and this whole is divided by n. So this is the first space state equation for this differential equation, and the second one is this equation, which is x1 dot is equals to x2. So now what we get is m d square x by dd square plus c dx by dt plus kx is equals to f sin omega t. The space state equation are x2 dot is equals to f sin omega t minus cx2 minus kx1, and the second one is x1 dot is equals to x2. In MATLAB you will write this as equation 1 and this as equation number 2. And since omega is equals to 0.5, omega is equals to 1 and omega is equals to 1.5, you have to put all these values here for three conditions, and this f is equals to 1, c is equals to 1, c is equals to 0.2, f is 1, and k is also 1. After putting these values we will get solution for the differential equation. I hope it is clear how to get the space state equation for any differential equation now.